first to do list on this van is the insulation. I want to check it out. So I removed the headliner and see what we got. We got some spot double layers of the tinselet, some only single, and I don't know, is this the right way to put the tinselet, or is it the black side out? Because I haven't done it this way. It's usually the black side is on the inside. So, and I don't know what brand the sound deadening is, but when I took off the headliner, everything came down with it. It didn't stick at all. So I had to take everything off and glue everything and put it back and use a roller to roll it back. Otherwise, can you imagine if you can remove that easily by hand? That's not good. The brand I use is the Kilmet. Once you apply, you can't even remove that. So I don't know what brand this is. And then between that and the headliner, the 3M tinselet was not even glued to anything. So everything was just coming down with the headliner. So what I'm going to do now is reinforce everything and then add the reflecting and then the tinselet before we put the ceiling. Same as this on the wall here, you can see. Why would you use metal plate for the wall? I guess it's you know, it's your preference, right? But and tight, a little bit tight. Look at this. It's metal plate, and it is attached to the metal bar here, so the heat and the cold transfers into here. No wonder the owner said it's how come it's too hot or too cold. Well, first of all, it is metal, bare metal, so we have to do something about that. We can add a window here and maybe wrap this with something, some kind of insulation. I don't like bare metal like that. So all right, that's where we're at. But for now, we're gonna find out if we have enough space for you know, the largest solar panel we want to put up there. So I'm gonna estimate. I'm gonna put do the ladder first on the door so we can easy to go up and down, and then do the roof rack to see how much space we have on the roof, so we can estimate to order the solar panel. The ladder this time is going to be the Prime Design ladder. To go Prime Design. It's very light. I think it's about 17 pounds total. And this is 100% aluminum as well, black gloss color. And this is a non-drill insulation. So it's gonna be attached to the rear door. And yep, that is what we are going to use. Okay, moving on. First I want to install the roof rack because I want to determine how much space, how much property we have up there for the solar panel, because we have two choices of fans, the Maxxair and the regular 14 inches fan. The Maxxair, you know how long it takes, right? 6-7 inches extra because of it's being upside down. And also we will have the AC unit, which is huge, about 31-32 inches. The AC unit is being back ordered, so we do need to reserve space for it anyway. It's already been ordered. take 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. So hot item. The roof rack. This is called White Top Adventures. They call it a low profile roof rack. This one also, yeah, attaches to your roof rails already, and it stands straight up off the roof 4 inches overall, and the rack itself here usable is 3.5, and it comes with the crossbar. I think 6 crossbars, which is, this is, I think it's a 1 by 1.5, very strong. This is similar to the flatline Banco crossbar, and the crossbar itself measures 49.5 inches. So at least we know that is usable space for that. But yeah, being the sides sitting straight up, I think that's how much we can use, 49. But the length, we're gonna find that out. All right, without further ado, we are going to install the roof rack right now. For sure, this comes with good set of strong hardware. What's wrong with you guys? Huh? Okay, you guys, this is how this rack is installed. So you can see the sides here. It is installed screws on the outside. I was wondering why they don't make the screws on the inside instead, because it fits both ways. But see, the crossbar they provided is only 49.7, so if I reverse it, this will not fit, it will be short. They could have just reversed this and make this all the way here to the edge. That will gain about another 4 inches across. Okay, roof rack has already come in shape. So this is everything's not tightened up yet. I just want to try it out, and we still have to install the fan and the AC up here. And that's it. It's getting dark and it's super cold up here. This work is to be continued. Right now I'm going to install the first fan, which is in the front, the Maxxair fan 7500K smoke color. This is what I'm going to install. So from the inside, I already marked my corners, my line. I'm going to tape it up along these lines, and then we're gonna cut it, and that is where the front is. We're going to do really close to the front to save us space for the solar panels. All right, here I go, cutting another roof for the fan. Now we spray the rust protection paint. After that, 3 layers of my putty tapes to level it with the ribs right here. Before I press it down, this is the frame. I align it first, make sure it's all within the straight line. then I press it down and screw. Okay, again I'm using this Decor sealant 501. This is self-leveling, designed for this kind of application. Okay, the sealant is in, so it's okay to overflow the thing, guys. This is I use the whole tube. So what you want to do is, first layer is to fill in the gaps underneath all around, and then zigzag, zigzag, zigzag all around it. Then it just overflows, self level itself. Okay, what you want to do is open up your fan so you can expose the screw holes here. That way you have access to screw them, the 4 screws. Okay, like that. Make sure it sits inside here. There's a seal in here, so you push it down and then screw it. That way it's sealed tight, no leak. Our Maxxair fan is done, guys. Just need to go down and lower it down, close it up and cover from the top to let it dry. There you go. Here is the model of the solar panels, 175 watt range. I'm trying to fit both of them up there while we only have very limited of space. Okay, we're gonna mount it this way. Oh, look at that. Yep, it's gonna be right about this right here. So yep, that's how we're gonna do it. For mounting this bracket, I'm gonna go ahead and use the this is a 5/16 3/4. Okay. Here is my ceiling fan, my Maxxair. So if you look at the holes right here, if I put my crossbar there, it's gonna hit over that, the ceiling fan, and I don't want to move to the next one, which wastes a lot of space. I cannot afford to lose 2+ inches, so I'm going to custom drill 2 holes right here, just to leave about an inch over the ceiling fan, the crossbar. Okay, right there, leaving me just enough to open the fan. Alright, here's my first panel. Easy there. Okay. 4 big panels. Heavy. Gonna sit like this, as you can see, just a touch on the side, and it's gonna sit on top of the crossbar on both sides. Next, I'm running 6 of these screws through here, through this channel, all the way, right? So 2, 4, 6, and this thing is not going anywhere. Look how nice it is. All fit into here, clean. Okay, here is a quick update of where I am at on this fan. As you can see, the fan, Maxxair fan is in, and I already started the roof rack. Tried out first with 2 solar panels on and install all the lights, but no connection yet. I ran all the wires and stuff. I did that. The ladder, okay, ladder on the door is good to go. And right now, because we are waiting on the AC unit, it's gonna take about 2 weeks, so I cannot do any panel or walls covers yet, because I still need to run wires through there. So while I'm waiting for that, right now I'm preparing to install the 2 windows on the side. As you can see, I already took off the metal panels on both sides. I'm going to install the 2 windows first, and then if nothing else, I still need to do another installation. Well, the reflectix and the 3M back on everywhere, and then the overhead storage on the top. So I still have plenty of other things to do. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I will see you next episode. Thank you so much for watching. This is Bo. Thank you. Bye.